This design takes a compact footprint and gives it a strong identity through the sculpted roofline, tall stone chimney, and the large arched opening on the front facade. The composition balances soft and solid elements well, with white stucco surfaces contrasted by warm wood cladding, deep eaves, and dark metal railings. At the entry, the curved canopy and recessed lighting create a clear focal point, while the rounded steps make the approach feel more welcoming and refined. At first glance, the project reads as a clean Scandinavian-inspired volume, where the steep roof, dark vertical cladding, and oversized arched window give the facade a strong and memorable identity. The composition is deliberately simple, using a restrained palette of white render, warm oak tones, and black accents to create contrast without visual noise. The same language continues through light wood flooring, built-in cabinetry, soft neutral furnishings, and carefully framed arched openings that bring consistency from room to room. Each interior is planned for clarity and comfort, with natural light, efficient storage, and calm material transitions shaping a space that feels both functional and warm. The result is a compact family house that feels refined, highly livable, and visually cohesive from the exterior shell to the smallest interior detail. The interior follows a warm, modern classic language, using light oak flooring, paneled walls, black window frames, and soft neutral finishes to create a calm and cohesive atmosphere. The kitchen is compact but highly efficient, with shaker cabinetry, open shelving, a farmhouse sink, and a small dining corner that keeps the space functional and intimate. Private rooms continue the same logic through built-in storage, integrated desks, and carefully framed arched windows that bring in natural light while giving each room a clear focal point. In the main living area, the stone fireplace anchors the composition. This project presents a refined cottage-inspired form, defined by steep clay tile roofs, arched openings, and a restrained palette of white stucco, light stone, and natural wood trim. The facade is composed with clear vertical emphasis through the chimney, the gabled volume, and the deep porch, while warm interior lighting gives the house a calm and welcoming street presence at dusk. Inside, the design continues with soft, neutral finishes, oak-toned cabinetry, black-framed windows, and carefully proportioned rooms that feel bright, practical, and highly livable. Spaces like the kitchen and breakfast nook are compact but efficiently planned, while the fireplace lounge adds weight, texture, and a stronger sense of permanence to the interior.